Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo C20 Commerce Pro panel van. This Caddy comes in a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out 102 PS. It also comes in a stunning silver colour in a metallic finish. Starting off with the front exterior features, this Caddy comes with a heated windscreen for cold weather conditions as well as front parking sensors for extra safety. With this Caddy comes 16-inch wine silver alloy wheels. You also get a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around to the back, the rear exterior features include rear parking sensors for the added extra bit of safety when parking, as well as LED rear combination lights. Opening up the tailgate, you are greeted with a very spacious loading area. You also have a steel bulkhead with no window. Alternatively, you can access the loading area on either side of the vehicle via the sliding doors. This just allows you to access and input any objects you have with ease. At the front, you have two passenger seats covered in fabric cloth upholstery in titanium black. These seats also come with armrests on either side for extra comfort. You also have a 6.5-inch infotainment system that is fully touchscreen. As mentioned earlier, this infotainment system is fully touchscreen. It allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations as well as connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also use the inbuilt navigation system to get to your journeys more easier. The driver is met with a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel that allows them to skip through their favorite music, answer calls and also use cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo C20 Commerce Pro panel van. Thank you for watching and goodbye.